Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today, let's talk about productivity apps. I have 3 recommendations, including an honorable mention that will help you manage your time, get work done, and reduce stress. Now let's face it, we all are on our phones every single day, so why not get work done and be productive at the same time by just getting a couple apps on the very phone we're using, right? So first, let's go to our honorable mention, which is going to be Discord. Now Discord is a well-known social media for gaming communities. However, it can also be utilized for personal uses, right? You can create a server for yourself and you can manage a bunch of categories and channels. And I personally found it to be great for note-taking, outlining for projects and stuff like that. You can also automate a bunch of functions, which is super cool on Discord in your server using Discord bots, right? You can assign automated reminders, notifications, and stuff like that. And there's so much more to explore. It can be a little distracting because they did recently introduce some in-app purchases, and it is for gaming communities after all, so it's more for entertainment, and so you might be sidetracked by other servers in the process. But if you're doing it specifically for productivity, it is an amazing option. Now let's go into my first app recommendation, and that is going to be OneSec. Now OneSec essentially works as a screen blocker, and what it's going to do is delay access to apps and websites, and it's going to make these distracting apps less appealing to your brain. And it's going to ask you, do you really want to go into this app, right? You're going to ask yourself, do I really want to go into this app, or am I just doing it because I'm bored, right? And I feel like this awareness is very effective and so has amazing usage. It saves a lot of time. However, drawbacks I would say is that it's very limited in the free version, and it's only limited to one app that you can block at a time. Now, app 2 is Opal, and I think Opal is the superior screen blocker option. It's more of your traditional screen blocker. However, it's so much more customizable. It's going to give you personalized reports. There are rewards you can earn, so there's a gamified portion of the app as well. You can also set various notifications like focus mode, breaks, the very clean UI, and the free plan offers a lot. You don't need to buy the paid plan. I found there's a multi-block option for a bunch of apps, more than you could really need by purchasing even more. As you can see, I've already saved almost 400 hours in the couple months I've been using this app, so it's just absolutely incredible, life-changing. Go get the app now. All right, let's finish the video off with none other than Google Calendar. Easy to use, organizational tasks and management of tasks. Now there are also time blocks and events. Now it's going to be something that's efficient and simple and pretty well known as well. And I love that it syncs across your accounts on different devices, right? It syncs on your devices because of Google accounts. Yeah, overall, I think everybody should have some sort of planner system digitally that they can use to mark down their tasks. And this is one of the best ways to increase your productivity. Combine it with something like Opal, and I think you're definitely good to go. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video. There are numerous other apps I could recommend, but these are just the couple I've picked out for today's video. If you want other suggestions, make sure you comment down below. I'll be happy to answer any questions. And yeah, if you got something out of this, make sure you subscribe and like the video.